What if your hotel room wasn't just a room, but a throne room, a sanctuary once guarded by knights, blessed by monks, or walked by emperors? What if the stone beneath your feet has seen battles, heard prayers, and hosted royal feasts, long before the idea of room service even existed? What if the air you breathe has traveled through marble colonnades and candlelit corridors for centuries, and yet your bed welcomes you with Egyptian cotton, your bathtub is carved from Carrara marble, and your window frames a sunrise that's been rising for 1,000 years? This is ancient luxury. A world where the past doesn't just whisper, it sings, echoes, and embraces you. Where history is not behind velvet ropes, but beneath your pillow. You're not just staying in a hotel. You're sleeping inside time itself. Inside castles turned into 5-star sanctuaries. Monasteries reborn as spas. Temples softened into silent retreats. Palaces that now host candlelit dinners and jazz quartets. Stone walls, untouched for centuries, now glow under crystal chandeliers. Fireplaces once fed by logs now flicker with curated elegance. Mosaics preserved, frescoes restored, ruins resurrected. From the mossy grandeur of Scottish keeps to the sun-kissed opulence of Rajasthani Havelis. From Andalusian alcazars with golden arches to cliff-top Greek monasteries turned moonlit escapes. Imagine sipping champagne where monks once meditated. Imagine room keys carved from brass, doors that creak with stories, mirrors that may have reflected queens. You are not just a guest here. You are a part of the legacy, wrapped in silk, lit by gold, cradled by history. You wake up where kings were crowned. You dine where generals plotted. You sleep in a room that outlived empires, and now pampers you with gourmet breakfast and a curated wine cellar. This isn't nostalgia. This is revival. Luxury, layered with time. Elegance, sculpted by centuries. Modern comfort, wrapped in ancient stone. Because in a world chasing the newest everything, there's unmatched beauty in something old, restored, respected, and reborn. These are not hotels. They are relics you can check into. Time machines with turn-down service. History with a minibar. So if you've ever wanted to live inside a legend, to feel like royalty without giving up Wi-Fi, to sleep where stories were born, then welcome. This is Luxe Quest. Stay till the end, because we're taking you inside the world's most enchanting ancient stays, hidden fortresses, sky palaces, secret sanctuaries, and royal retreats you didn't even know you could book. Trust us, you've never seen history look this good. Subscribe to Luxe Quest for journeys not just across the map, but through time.